Service in the Twin Cities has issued a flash flood warning for Ramsey County, Central Washington County, until 12:30 a.m. At 8:31 p.m., trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: trained spotters reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include St. Paul, Woodbury, Maplewood, Roseville, Oakdale, Shoreview, White Bear Lake, New Brighton, West St. Paul, Stillwater, Hudson, Vadnais Heights, Arden Hills, St. Anthony, Lake Elmo, Montgomery, Bayport, Afton, and North St. Paul. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Monday for the following counties in Minnesota, Ramsey, and Washington. Severe